Hi guys, welcome back to me making the all-you-can-eat mini-verse recipes. We've already made the orange juice, so up next we have the fun donuts. So there's a couple things they used for that. The glaze is supposed to be this white chocolate, but I'm going to use one I already have open. It's just a vanilla icing. I also need the cereal it came with, and of course the 2 donuts. This is the box you can display them in, and the sprinkles they used. Okay, so let's get this, and I do have a spoon to spread the icing on. One's gonna have the cereal. I don't really care for the cereal ones. I think I'd rather put sprinkles on it, but we're just going to follow the recipe cards. I noticed that they gave us a Coca-Cola resin bottle, and I thought it was so that we can make some kind of drink. Looks like it actually is supposed to be the icing for the macaron cake, which is weird. But I will be doing, I think that one's next actually. Okay, so that's probably good. Gonna open the sprinkles. These are some fun unicorn looking sprinkles. They're purple, pink, teal. I do have some in my hand. I'm just gonna see if any of them stick. Oh no, no. Okay, add some more resin there. Should have put it on a tray. That would have made more sense. Let's just throw it on this plate real quick. So we have that. Okay, I have the other one iced, and we're going to get the cereal out of here. It's like way crammed in there. Here's what the cereal looks like. They did give 2 cereal bowls with this set, so you can use that to make cereal if you don't use too many of them. I think I'm just going to take out a couple instead of sprinkling it. That way I can alternate the colors, perhaps. That's pretty cool looking. Oops. Need another brown one. Okay, I'm going to use my tweezers to nudge that one back, nudge that one over. Maybe fit another brown one in there. Let's see. It's not very easy to scoot. There we go. That's pretty cute. Here's the finished product. Pretty cute. Let me know which one you prefer. I think I prefer the sprinkles always, but at this point you can now set them in this little box they gave you. And they also gave a couple cinnamon rolls with this set too. So you can decorate those and put them in a box as well. If you want to see more of the all-you-can-eat recipes, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.